What's the meaning of Campbell's soups? Campbell's soups. Campbell's soups.
Campbell's soups. Campbell's soups. Campbell's soups refer to a range of canned soup products offered by the American food company Campbell Soup Company. The company produces various types of soups, including chicken noodle, tomato, mushroom, and vegetable beef. These soups are widely recognized for their convenience and taste. The brand has become an icon in American culture over time, with their red and white can design being synonymous with soup. Today, Campbell's soups continue to be popular amongst consumers, with the company evolving its product line to include low-fat, organic, and gluten-free options.